Sige, bye. Iitsa-itsa. Yan lang. Okay. Hello guys, so today again we have another pair of sneakers to ONFOOT. And yes guys, we have the Nike Dunk High Michigan or I don't know. But again guys, we will check the sneakers, the quality of the sneakers we are ONFOOT. And yes, so stay tuned guys. But again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photography, videography, and guys, my personal sneakers. And again guys, I have another category on my channel, which is the tutorial for photography and videography, 90 seconds tutorial. So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so let's go to the sneakers. So actually guys, I picked up these sneakers last week, and actually they released the sneakers last September 23. Yeah, September 23 with a retail price of $120 US. So today, yan, medyo mataas na siya. And again, I like the colorway guys. That's why I picked this. And of course, and again guys, this is my first High Dunk SB. It's not SB. Yeah, Nike Dunk High. So this is the first sneakers that I collected. So ayan. And I like the colorway first. I like the colorway again. And yeah guys, the material that they use, it's very soft. It's a leather, but it's soft, especially from inside guys. So yeah, I took the pair for me for collection. So again, ayan. So gusto ko lang yung kulay niya, which is a yellow colors with darker blue. So ayan. Again guys, so this is my second Dunk Nike. So I thought this is an Jordan 1, but yeah, my friend told me no, it's a Dunk High. So because I'm new guys, I'm new to collecting sneakers. So ayan, if you compare for the Jordan 1, the material that they use is different. Also there's no wing pad or something, the logo for the Jordan 1 spring. So and again guys, so I think that's it for today. For my opinion, the sneakers, I love these sneakers guys. It's very cool, and it's very, the color is very loud because it's yellow. But again guys, for me, I like light colors and loud colors. So I pick up this pair, and shout out to Jess Sotnas sa ating pair. So sa Jess Sotnas, maraming salamat sa ating pair na Nike Dunk Mexican. So ayan guys, so i-ONFOOT natin and in-biro lang natin ang sneakers. So And again guys, so ayan, for the next sneaker review or sneaker on foot, I have the Jordan 1 Midnight. Yeah. So ayan, so in the next na lang natin review yun guys. On foot din natin. So again guys, shoutout muna tayo. First, I want to thank and shoutout to Palaboy, OFW, and Brian Puntanar. So check nyo yung mga channel ng dalawa kahit wala nang upload yung mga yon. And again guys, my team, which is a Team Positive Vlogger. So shout out all the admin and members ng Team Positive. And sa team dito sa Kuwait, ang PVK o Pinoy Vloggers Kuwait. So shout out to you guys. So again, that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.